Alright, so today we have just gotten our light system watch, and we will do the unboxing here right now. Inside the box came the watch itself, and then the supercharged band. So let's go ahead and unbox the band first. It just comes in a nice little box like this, already open, so we'll just open it up and pull it out. Kind of resembles like the original Apple Watch you get, I think. Not the rubber one, but if you get the metal one. All right, so now let's do the main unboxing. All right, inside the box watch, we have all right, we got a start here card. Swipe left for the light system. All right, so it comes with the rubber band. We'll be using the supercharged band. Rubber band, not bad. And let's check out the watch itself. Let's pop it out. All right. Okay, so here's the attachment points for the watch. Got the back of it. And then we got the front sticker here. All right, I'm going to put this together and then we'll go from there. All right, we are back. And we have the watch all set up. I do like the strap. It's lightweight. The watch is very lightweight as well. It's got the one button. You got all the swipes. It's all in the manual here. But yeah, overall, I'd say it was worth the $4.99. All right. Stay tuned. I'll have a review in about a couple weeks after we've been using the watch every day. All right. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, everybody? SlyDemon here, and today we're going to go review the TLS watch versus an Apple Watch. Just from out of the box, Apple Watch is a lot heavier. And then the charger is more magnetic back here. More magnetized, so the charger holds better. Screen, I would say it might be a little bit nicer on the Apple Watch. Here's my custom screen. I took a picture of a galaxy and put it on the TLS watch. As far as features go, I say the TLS watch by far wins. You have the light system right here, and then you also have your activity, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, glucose, blood oxygen, MET, HRV, stress, and you could also add widgets. Watch faces, I would say they're the same because you could incorporate your own, and there's 149 to choose from on the TLS. As far as apps go, my Apple Watch has so many apps I don't use them. It's a waste. Like, oh, every app has a feature with the Apple Watch. Very stupid. TLS watch, very, very simple. Has everything you need to know, and you're ready to go. So I like it. For the bands, I'd say the Apple Watch will win on the band housing since it's more metal and built in. Here feels kind of plasticky. It's probably metal. And the pins that hold it in are very small, so we'll see how it lasts. I did get the insurance on this, paid the $50 for the year, so if lost or stolen, I'll get it back. Charging time, I have the TLS watch doing everything, monitoring me 24/7. I'd say it goes back through 50% of the battery life per day, with always taking readings. I'd say that's on par or a little bit better than the Apple Watch that needs to be charged pretty much at night. Features wise, TLS watch has a lot more features than my Apple Watch, which I like it. I would say the two benefits of the Apple Watch are it's waterproof, biggie for me, especially in the pool, and it's just heavier and the charger is more magnetic. On this, I have to be careful on the charger because it's very light and it's not as magnetic, so you have to be sure it's really on there and on a nice flat surface. So what I would like to see from TLS is maybe like a housing where you could set your watch like Apple Watches and it just clamps on and charges. That'd be really cool. Overall, with the price, the founder's price, I'm very happy with the TLS watch. Apple Watch, I'll probably still bring to the pool. For the rest of everyday use, it will be the TLS watch. Looking forward to see all my metrics and how the TLS watch affects it. I will link the TLS website in the comments. Hopefully we'll get enough views to get the affiliate program. But yeah, overall, I really enjoy this watch so far. And it even reminds you to turn this mode on to get reset. So yeah, I like it a lot. Thanks for watching.